explorers, have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what lies beyond? Well, prepare yourselves as today we are embarking on a cosmic adventure through the solar system. We shall encounter our star, the Sun, and explore its closest companions, the planets, moons, and even mysterious visitors like comets and asteroids. So don your spacesuit, embrace your curiosity, and let us delve into the wonders of our extraordinary solar system. Ready? Let us commence. Let us begin with the central figure of our solar system, the Sun. Did you know the Sun is a star? Similar to those twinkling dots visible in the night sky, yet significantly closer. Indeed, it is the closest star to Earth, which is why it appears so vast and luminous. The Sun is an enormous, extraordinarily hot ball of gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. Its immense power illuminates not only the Earth, but also the entire solar system. To illustrate its scale, if the Sun were a basketball, Earth would be no more than a tiny grain of rice beside it. Such is its enormity. Here is an intriguing fact. The Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers from us. Such a distance means that sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach Earth. Thus, the sunlight you see at this very moment is already 8 minutes old. Astonishing, is it not? The Sun is undoubtedly the ruler of the solar system. The Sun's heat maintains Earth's warmth, allowing plants to grow, animals to thrive, and seasons to transition. It is integral to water cycle and weather patterns. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, enabling plants to produce food and oxygen. Without it, life as we understand it would cease to exist. Additionally, the Sun influences winds and ocean currents, ensuring Earth's climate remains balanced. Although the Sun appears diminutive from Earth, its diameter is approximately 100 times greater than our planet. Such an immense size and energy dictate the solar system, dominating it through the Sun's colossal gravitational forces. The Sun's gravity holds everything, planets, moons, and even asteroids in a precise balance, ensuring they orbit harmoniously. Without the Sun, celestial bodies would drift aimlessly in space, and life on Earth? Unthinkable. Now, speaking of motion, let us discuss rotation and revolution. Did you know Earth is perpetually in motion? It rotates on its axis, a process known as rotation, which takes approximately 24 hours, giving us day and night. However, this is not all. Earth also revolves around the Sun in a vast orbit. This revolution approximately requires 365 days, that is 1 year, and accounts for the seasons. Other planets too rotate on their axis and orbit the Sun in unique ways. Next, let us acquaint ourselves with the planets. There are 8 of them, each possessing distinct characteristics. Starting with the planet closest to the Sun, we have Mercury. It is the smallest, akin to the baby of the solar system, and is scorching hot due to its proximity to the Sun. However, it lacks an atmosphere, rendering it uninhabitable. Following Mercury is Venus, the brightest planet, often referred to as the morning star or evening star. Despite its luminous appearance, Venus is fiery inferno beneath its dense clouds. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, creating conditions even hotter than Mercury's. Of course, there is our home, Earth. Earth is unique, providing essential elements such as air and water, while maintaining a moderate distance from the Sun that supports life. Planets are not the only entities orbiting the Sun. They often have companions called moons. Earth has one moon, which illuminates our night sky. Adjacent to Earth is Mars, often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish soil. Mars resembles a dusty desert and is orbited by two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. Now, let us venture into the outer solar system where things become fascinating. Jupiter is a colossal planet, large enough to accommodate over 1,300 Earths. It is renowned for the Great Red Spot, a massive storm persisting for centuries. Saturn follows, distinguished by its stunning rings composed of ice and rocks. Then comes Uranus, a planet that intriguingly rotates on its side as it orbits the Sun, and Neptune, the deep blue planet home to the solar system's strongest winds. What about Pluto? Formerly considered the ninth planet, it is now classified as a dwarf planet, residing with numerous other tiny celestial bodies in a region beyond Neptune. But wait, there is more. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, teeming with rocky, irregular shaped objects called asteroids. Some are minuscule, while others span hundreds of kilometers. Occasionally, these asteroids pass close to Earth, offering astronomers remarkable opportunities for observation. Let us not forget comets, often referred to as cosmic snowballs. As they approach the Sun, comets develop glowing tails, creating spectacular sights. Have you heard of Halley's Comet? It visits us approximately every 76 years and is expected to return in 2061. For those interested in observing planets or comets, consider attending stargazing events at planetariums or joining astronomy clubs. With a telescope, one can view stars, planets, and even moons up close. Who knows, you may discover a favorite celestial object? So, what makes the solar system special? It is a celestial symphony, a harmonious dance of the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, all bound by gravity. Yet, despite its vastness, our solar system is merely a tiny speck within the Milky Way galaxy. Imagine the wonders that remain undiscovered beyond its bounds. What captivates you most about the solar system? The fiery sun, enigmatic comets, or Saturn's magnificent rings? Let me know in the comments. If you wish to continue exploring space with me, do not forget to like and subscribe for more interstellar adventures. Keep gazing upwards and remain inquisitive. Until next time, farewell, space explorers.